Hey, I'm Ollie from Psychology, and today I'm going to do a bike check on my custom NS Majesty, and hopefully you guys like it. And if you do, or if you've got any questions, just drop it in the comments or on Instagram at Psychology Media or at Holmesy032. Let's get on with it. So first up, frame wise, I am running a NS Majesty Park Edition. The reason I went Park Edition is because it's got a short rear triangle, so spins and flips personally feel a lot more comfortable because I feel like I've got more control over the rear end. Yeah, going on from the frame, I now run Fox 36 forks, 100mm travel, and they come with a 20mm and 15mm adapters in the box, but I run the 20mm adapters. Both my hubs are Hope Pro 4 hubs, and they're laced to Halo T2s. Both my hubs are in blue, both my rims are in blue as well. Halo, absolutely bomb-proof. I think they're solid, really good for dirt jumps as well, and park, pump track, and they look the bit, so that's even better. Tyre wise, I've got the Vans Colts 2.1s, white walls. They are wicked, they look really good, and they are really grippy for like your pump track, skate park and dirt jumps. Yeah, brake wise, I'm running the Hope Tech 3 V4 brake. Only one brake, but the cable's about 1.5 meters long, metal braided as well, so if I'm ever worried about the cable pulling out of each end, either the top end by my grip or the rear end by the caliper, then I don't really have to worry because it's a solid brake. Stopping power, if I had a front brake on, my eyes would be popping out my head. It's that strong, it's really cool. Especially when you're doing tyre taps and whatever, it's there, it's gonna stop you. And it just looks the piece as well. Bleeding it's super easy if you get the Hope kit to bleed, which I've actually bought, and it looks wicked. The Hope products are insane. From there, let's go to the saddle. I've got the Gusset DJ S2 saddle. I went for that because it's a little bit wider at the back, it's quite stumpy, but you've got the grips on the side, so when you're clamping your knees to the saddle, they're not going to go anywhere. When you do T-bogs as well and you actually grab the saddle, it feels wicked, and then you just know you're not going to slip around that area. Stem, I've got an Octane 1 stem, it's either 30mm or 40mm, but it's a 25.4 because I've got 25.4 spanked wheat bars. They're really good. 720mm wide. A chainring. Now my chainring is a blank WTF chainring. On my Hope hub I've actually got a 12 tooth sprocket, so it's 2512. The chainring on the front, like an oil slick petrol colour. I think that's really cool compared to the black and the blue and the white walls. And then my chain is a Gusset slink chain in oil slick as well. Slightly different kinds and like slightly different colours, but they look really cool. They match, but there is a slight contrast compared to the frame, and I really like that. And then my pedals are nuke-proof Neutrons. I believe they were limited edition. I've been running them for ages. Absolutely bomb-proof. They've taken a fair amount of hits at jumps, skate parks, pump tracks, so servicing them's easy as well, but I've had no issues with them. Only replacing pins, but that's super easy. And the bike at the minute is looking absolutely sick. It's insane. And I got the DMR oil top cap, the Deconator one, which we've actually got an interview with Deconator coming up in the magazine. So when it's published, that's going to look sick. Cheers, Deeks.